Let us understand what is meta title and meta description under SEO, search engine optimization. Now the customer search query might be best mobile phone. You will be getting a lot of result under search engine result page. The one that you can see towards the right, it is called as ads. The result which you do not get an AD extension are called as SEO. Now can you see this best mobile phones in India? This is nothing but meta title. Below this, you'll be able to see something which is written in black color text. This is called as meta description. The which comes with in blue, it is called as meta title, and below whatever you see, that is called as meta description. Now, how do we identify that? Let's pick an example. Now, can you see Flipkart here? Let's click on this link, and this is the link which we opened. Now, we want to understand what is the meta description that this particular Flipkart has given. Please click on Control and U, which will redirect to this particular page source code. And please use Control plus F and look for description. And look for meta description. Here it is. Can you see this? Meta name description. Meta description. Let's understand the content here. It says mobile phone usage is one of the rise in smartphone lovers and constant hunt and other details here. Let's go back to Google and find whether this meta description is being viewable on the Google search engine result page. Let's go back to the front end. We can see this. So mobile phone usage is rise in smartphone lovers. So the same thing they have given it here. So this is how your meta description and meta title works. Now let's understand few more things. Now what is meta title? What is meta description? We just learned. Google only recognizes 60 to 70 characters with spaces included. Place the most important keywords for that page in the title tag and keep them as close to the beginning of the title tag and as possible. Keep non-keyword terms to minimum. Each page should have a unique title focusing on the keyword for that particular page. So we can have a look at this. So important keyword, it's mobile phone. And you can see non-ranking keyword like buy mobiles online and best prices are non-ranking keywords. And if we click on this, it will be a user friendly, like URL friendly. You can see the mobile phone even at the URL. So Google consider all these factors to rank. So very important in the Google meta tag and meta title. The rules of title tag. The length should be 50 to 60 characters. The maximum length is 70 including spaces. Title tag contain most important keyword first, then the brand name. So let's look at the example again. So here you can see mobile phone and next will be the brand. Let's look at the other examples. We'll pick this example. You can see this best mobile phone in India 2020 with prices. And we can see this 91 mobile, which is the brand at the last. So very important. And it should be meaningful and relevant with the page content. So when a customer is searching for mobile phone, if I click on this, it should land to this particular mobile phone page only. Use only pipes to separate important keywords and phrase. Now can you see the pipe here? Between the keyword and the brand name, this is the pipe. And no comma, underscore, dashes or any other signs to be used for as a separator. Don't keep the duplicate title tags. Use the unique name for every single page that you want to rank. Try to avoid stop words. Now what is stop words? Now you can see there is best mobile phone in India 2020 with prices. Imagine this particular people have ranked this page and they have no spaces. They might have stopped by ending here. Like best mobile phone in India with prices will not be viewable. That is stop word. We have stopped in the place of with. So never do that.